first view is of page impressions over time, split by default into device categories: smartphone, tablet, desktop, and also feature phone. This means marketers firstly don't need to worry about which device falls into which category, and secondly that they don't need to worry about identifying and classifying new devices as they are launched, as Netbiscuits handles this for you. Knowing accurately exactly which devices are connecting can help prioritise which devices to test new content or new pages on. Other factors include device operating system, browser, and screen size. Again, for each of these, you can toggle to see the information as a trend over time. Session-level information provides additional insight into customer behaviour. To what extent do variables such as bandwidth, screen size, or time of day affect the average number of pages in a session or the average time spent on site? This might mean a change in the order in which key content is presented, for example, placing the call to action near the top of the page, or it could mean changing the landing pages for PPC or display campaigns to shorten the visitor journey. The tool also provides an immediate view of your visitor traffic by location. A global heat map highlights where your biggest visitor numbers are coming from. First of all, I can immediately see the total bounce rate for a particular page over the specified time period. How is it trending over time? Are there any patterns such as higher or lower bounce on certain days of the week or at certain times? I can also see this same data split by device category: smartphones, tablets, feature phones or desktop, all in the same view, so I can compare categories easily. I can then drill down into some more specific features. By device, so we can see which devices are performing worst, potentially highlighting a problem with a particular device or family of devices, and which are performing best. We can also look at operating systems, and we can look at browsers. Again, we can drill down into more detail and see exactly which are bouncing more or less. Screen size is particularly important as, along with bandwidth, it's probably the most significant device factor when it comes to determining how visitors are going to respond to content, messaging, experience, and functionality on your website. The time of day chart combines into a single view the number of page views and the bounce rate, along with the time of day. This is a unique visualization of key data points. With no additional analysis or investigation needed, marketers can immediately identify areas of concern or of opportunity. If page views are high and bounce rates are high, there's a potential issue to be addressed. But equally, a higher bounce rate during a low traffic period, while concerning, could be a lower priority issue. The global heat map shows at a glance the location of visitors that bounce most and least. As well as being able to view and manipulate the charts, each of the KPIs also has detailed data behind it, enabling much more in-depth analysis. Conversions can be tracked over time and by device category. You can immediately see which devices are converting most or least, as well as conversions by operating system, browser, or screen size. Contextual factors that impact a visitor's likelihood of converting include the time of day. So you can quickly see, for example, whether particular device types are more or less likely to convert at different times of day. This information is invaluable when it comes to planning campaigns. Creative placement and timing of display ads or PPC campaigns can be adjusted to target those groups that respond best, resulting in an overall increase in web effectiveness and ultimately campaign ROI. Bandwidth continues to be a critical factor when it comes to conversions. The conversion analysis in mobile analytics enables digital marketers to immediately see the impact of slow connectivity on conversions and make adjustments to web content or the user journey to help deliver a better customer experience and improve conversion rates. All of the charts can also be viewed as a trend over time. This enables a quick view of any chosen time period, so the impact of new campaigns, changed creative, or technical changes to the site can be clearly seen, broken down by any of the key filters: browser, operating system, device type, etc. The data can also be viewed in a detailed table format for deeper analysis. Using the pre-built filters in mobile analytics, marketers can identify and track segments within their visitor base that are performing well or poorly. For example, filtering by screen size, a marketer could see if a particular combination of screen size and time of day responds well to particular campaigns or content.